I'm here with Dave Lemon on his farm in Wilton near Great Bedwin. How long have you been here, Dave?
The farm's been in the family for 3 generations since the 1930s.
All right. So they're going to put inheritance tax on your farm. What's the implication of that for you?
The implication is potentially having to sell off 20% of the farm to cover the liability of the tax.
Yeah. What are you going to do instead?
I don't know. I mean, farm income is at about 0.1% over the value of the asset.
Yeah.
So to sell off 20% will take me 200 years of farming to make it back.
Yeah. And the reason that there's always been a relief on inheritance tax is you've got a lot of assets here on paper. What's the value of the farm on paper?
On paper, 12.5 million, something like that.
But the income is not so good. What do you actually manage to earn from that? The income,
I pay myself 28,000 a year.
Yeah.
Work a lot of hours.
So I think you qualify as a worker.
I think
you
I'm a
thought the
working
Treasury
man,
could have recognised that you actually do work for this.
Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, I'm going to do everything I can to fight the government on this. They've completely misunderstood the farming economy. Yeah. In my view, we've got to protect these farms and ensure they can stay in the family, and all the investment that you and your father and your grandfather made can be passed on for the benefit of all of us. Okay. So I'll do what I can.